need a green screen but don't have the space or can't afford one, then you need Personify Chromacam. This program will allow you to use your laptop webcam or any other webcam that you may have with a green screen effect. It's available for free to use forever with watermark, or you can buy the Chromacam Pro for a one-time fee of $30. Check it out in the description below. Hey guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Today's video is all about how to customize your phone so that when you click on the home button for a long press, instead of getting Google Assistant, you'll get a much more powerful app that you can use offline or online to do a number of things on your phone. So the first thing you will need is an app called Assistant Shortcuts. Go to the Google Play Store, look for this app called Assistant Shortcuts. It's by STGen. And then you want to look for another app. It's called FooView. And it's by FooView Inc. You install both of these apps, and then you go to the settings of your device, go to default apps, and then you go to assistant voice input, change it to assistant shortcuts. The next option that you want to change is the accessibility options. You want to turn assistant shortcuts on. So now that you have both of them turned on, go to assistant shortcuts, and if it asks you for any more permissions, go ahead and grant them. But you'll want to go over to apps, and then you want to go down to FooView, and wherever it is, you just click on it, and it says it sets it as the launch app. And then you can long press on the home button and you'll get FooView. Of course, yours won't look like this, it will look a little bit different. I've already customized mine. It's got customization options, which is awesome. But you can go over to settings, go to gesture, and you may want to change it so that when you long press on the icon, it will hide the icon. So you can just select on action, I think, and hide show float icon. You just select that, and then when you long press on the icon will hide. So that is how you close that. And then you can go over to the menu bar and click on exit, just like I did there, and that closes the app. Of course, to open it back up, it's just long press on the home button and you get the app again and the icon. Depending on how you set it up, you can have it so that the icon starts recording the screen with a single tap, or take a screenshot or whatever. But this app here can do a lot of things. It has the ability to browse files, so your pictures, music, video, documents, even your disk usage. It has screen recording functions. It has a note function, so you just go over here to notes. You can make notes, so like, here's a note, here's another note. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please do. It helps my channel out and it will help you out, as well as hit the notification bell, because the subscription button doesn't all the time work. So if you hit the notification bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and that way you get to know whenever I make a new video, and you'll be able to watch it right away, and it helps me out to get viewed. So there we go. We go back to the main window. You can see that it also has a clipboard manager. So if I type in, say, Random Fandom, and I copy it, so copy, it copies it to the clipboard. Of course, I can type in Random Fandom YT, which is my Twitter account and my Instagram account for that matter too. I can copy that, and it's right here. Of course, you can click on this and you can copy stuff. So you go back to the clipboard manager and you can see it has both in there. So that's another feature that this app has. Now it will automatically save things for you. If you want to clear them, you should just go up here to clear clipboard. So that is that. And of course, let's take a look at the disk usage. Let's see what this does. I mean, it's a pretty awesome thing to see. So I can see that this folder here called Bullshit Farce, which has Bullet Force APK and its data. I mean, it's taking up a lot of space, so I'm just going to go and delete that. I need to get rid of that anyways. It's probably an older version by now. But there we go. Of course, inside pictures, just got the thumbnails, which is basically a thumbnail of every picture on this device. Go inside here, we got our recordings and stuff. But yeah, so there you go. Of course, you have settings which you can change a lot of the stuff on how this program works. Even has an ad filter which you can use with the built-in browser, which we'll go ahead and we'll go to that now. So let's go ahead and go to history, and let's click on, say, this link over here, and as you can see, I can track my package. So I'm still waiting for this to arrive. Let's click on this one here. This one has already been delivered, so it doesn't matter. And of course this one has been delivered as well. But there we go. You can do a number of things with this application. It's pretty awesome. It even has some games in here. So the game is, you have to try to guess what the letter of the app that is falling starts with. So this one is PayPal. It didn't get that. This one is SlideJoy. This one, I don't know what it is. But it goes until you miss one. But yeah. Of course you can hit the lucky button and well, it opens up random web pages. I've never actually clicked on this button, but it looks like this one links to pirated content. That is pretty awesome. Except for it's not. It's popping up with ads. Alright. So we can go ahead and close that. That's pretty weird. I didn't know this app would do that. So alright. So there's some fishy things here. Let's click on it again. And it plays a song from my device. Alright. Let's see what else. It shows a picture. So basically the lucky button it's kind of a useless function, but there you go. You can even make customized tasks, which I haven't done yet. Yeah, it's probably nothing like Tasker, but oh well. There's even a remote manager, so you can access files, I guess, via FTP. Yep, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, another thing you can do with this is you can resize the window and drag it around your home screen, put it wherever you want. And lastly, we'll go ahead and exit this app, and we'll long press on the icon to hide it, and there we go. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, peace.